What is thermal expansion and how does it raise sea levels? Imagine the ocean as a giant swimming pool that gets a little bigger when it warms up. That's because of a process called thermal expansion. When water heats up, the molecules move faster and spread out, making the water take up more space. This is what we call thermal expansion. It happens in all liquids, but it's especially important in our oceans because they cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. As global temperatures rise due to climate change, the ocean water gets warmer. Even a small increase in temperature can cause a noticeable rise in sea levels because of thermal expansion. Think of it like heating a balloon. As it warms, it expands. The same thing happens with ocean water. When the water warms, it pushes the sea level higher. This effect is separate from glaciers melting, but both contribute to rising sea levels. In recent decades, scientists have found that thermal expansion accounts for nearly half of the observed rise in sea levels. That's a huge part of why coastlines are seeing more flooding and erosion. When the water warms, molecules in the seawater move more vigorously, increasing the overall volume. This makes the surface of the ocean rise, sometimes by a few centimeters each year. Over time, this adds up to a significant increase in sea level. Understanding how thermal expansion works helps us predict future changes in sea levels. As the planet continues to warm, the ocean will keep expanding. This puts coastal communities at risk of flooding and can even affect ecosystems that depend on stable water levels. It also interacts with glacier melt, which adds more freshwater to the oceans. When glaciers melt and the water warms, the combined effect speeds up sea level rise even more. Knowing about thermal expansion helps scientists and water resource managers plan for these changes. It's a key part of understanding how climate change impacts our water systems and ecosystems. By tracking how much the ocean expands as it warms, we can better prepare for the challenges ahead and work toward solutions to protect vulnerable areas.